guys, so I'm going to show you how to make a mohawk. So first you want to get some butter. And then get some water, fill it up. The mohawk shape. Then you're going to get some gel. Open it. Get it out. Then you want to rub it together in your hands. It works really well. And then you're putting it in there. You want to move back and forward to make it straight. And you might want to have more gel than I had. Straighten it out a little bit. There. And there. And I like using soap after because it gets your hands all sticky. So I'm going to get some soap, get between my fingers. Then I want to just wipe my hands. And then there you go, you're done. This is how it turned out. Pretty nice. So that's how you'll do it if you ever want to do it.